Do you want to finally understand how to use am, is, and are in English? Let's learn the present simple with be in a simple and clearly way. 4 tips to master present simple with be. Tip number 1. Usage. We use present simple with be to talk about 1. Name and job. 2. Feeling and condition. 3. Nationality and origin. 4. Age and time. 5. Location. Tip number 2. Sentence structure. Positive sentence. Subject plus verb to be plus object. Negative sentence. Subject plus verb to be plus noun plus object. Yes no question. Verb to be plus subject plus object plus question mark. WH question. WH word plus verb to be plus subject plus object plus question mark. Tip number 3. Spelling rules. No spelling change for be in present simple. Just remember am with I, is with he, they, it, are with you, we, they. Tip number 4. Time marker. Notice there isn't time marker for be in present simple. Now you know how to use am, is, and are correctly in present simple. Like, comment, and subscribe for more English lesson every week. Thank you.